Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening according to the time where you are, and welcome to Afritelly. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àsìkò bí tẹ́ bá wà lágbàáyé. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Afritelly. Uva huo menta, uva paivaya, uva yotaya. Terevitolo Afritelly. So today we are going to NR19. Sorry guys, that's a November Romeo 19. That's where we are going to today. So and it's going to take us 20 minutes to our final destination, which is 15 miles from here, from the hotel where I'm staying, where I'm lodging. So if you are new to the channel, guys, please click like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be among the first people to see it. And also, if you're already subscribed, please guys, click like button and share with others, and click love. So guys, let the journey begin. All right guys, if this postcode that we are going, which is a partial postcode that I would normally mention in this channel, so what you need to do is just leave a comment below and let us know what is unique about the postcode that we are visiting. That's at the end of the day. At the end of the journey, I will review the full postcode, and if it is your postcode, please leave a comment below and let us know what is unique about your postcode area, so that we can visit the uniqueness of your postcode. And guys, let's go. Okay, as usual on this channel, we have sat nav that will be speaking in the background. I will try as much as possible to make less commentary, so that's what this channel is for. Just sit back. If you are finding it challenging to sleep, just put this video on, and then before you know, you will fall asleep. Trust me.
Continue on Norwich Southern Bypass for 5 miles.
Right. So now we are on A47. We are going to a place called Durham. Yeah, it's Durham. What a lovely day today. What a lovely weather. What a lovely scene. I'm loving it, what I'm seeing here. I hope you guys are loving it as well. Just loving what I'm seeing now. It's just beautiful, beautiful too. Johnny.
A47.
So we are continuing on A47. Yeah.
Exit the roundabout onto A47. Continue on A47 for 1 mile.
Right. Construction is going on here. Ringland.
In a quarter of a mile, at Honingham roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A47. Exit the roundabout onto A47.
Yeah.
Continue on A47 for 7 miles.
Wow, I'm loving it. I hope you guys are loving it as well. If you are just joining the channel, please guys subscribe, click likes and the notification bell so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be among the first people to receive it. And also the area where we are going today is a NR19. I don't know why I keep calling R. So sorry guys. It's a November Romeo 19. That's the area where we are. We are in Norwich today. We are in Norwich. Like last week we were in Wales. So this week we are in Cambridge. So guys, let's continue and enjoy the journey. And if you're already subscribed, please click likes button and share with others. Let us just share. And if this area is your postcode area, please leave a comment below and let us know what is unique about this area so that we can visit the uniqueness of your postcode area. What I can see here is just sand, and it seems like they are expanding the road. And I haven't seen, oh, they are constructing a bridge, overhead bridge there. Yeah, that's the sign. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on my right hand side. There's a lot of construction going on, which is really good. Just to ease this traffic. I'm not sure how this place might look like during traffic, but this area looks really looking like a green. Even though we are in autumn, some of the trees are yellowish, but not as much as compared to Wales. So Wales is a little bit still green. Of course, we are in England now, just in case if you are wondering where is Norwich. Norwich is in England, and it's around the Cambridgeshire region. I'm not sure guys, if you know if the part where we are now, if it is Norfolk or Suffolk, please leave a comment below and let us know if this area is Norfolk or Suffolk area. loving every scene I'm seeing here. Every minute counts for me, looking at the lovely nature. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I hope you guys are loving it as well. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Loving it.
Take the A1075 exit towards Watton, Dereham.
Wow, green, green, green. I hope you guys can see it from the left hand side of the screen. Like the field is just green. It's just green. Green, green, green. Wow, on the right hand side as well. It's just great. It's 1, 2. Joining another road in the left down.
In half a mile, take the A1075 exit towards Watton, Dereham.
Watton, Dereham.
Take the A1075 exit.
Okay. Yeah, exiting here. A1075.
In 300 yards, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Yakom Road, A1075.
Okay. Yakom Road.
Exit the roundabout onto Yakom Road, then turn left onto Walter Road. Turn left onto Walter Road, then turn left. Take the next left, then turn left.
Alright guys, thanks for watching to the end. Now we need to review the full postcode, which is NR19 1FS. Let me say it again in letters. We are now at November Romeo 19 1 France Sugar. Thanks for Aldi man, and see you in the next postcode area. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, click likes and share. Bye.